Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in.
Welcome to the Dad and Son community. This is a special Haunters edition. So we don't know if the Spirit team is running on AOL 56K dial-up or if they're just trolling us, but this is Wave 5. So we rank the animatronics in the new lineup. Like Michael Corleone says,
The new overthrows the old. It's natural.
so let's get after it and see what's new in Wave 5.
Hi there. Are you lost? Don't worry. I know all the secrets of this creepy place. But beware. You don't want to fall in an open grave.
So last on our list, we have Gravedancer. We actually love this one, but they were all really good in this wave. So this is why we put her here, and we loved her.
And that's based in large part to her design. We love the cemetery theme. We think she looks awesome, but her sayings are even better. And at $189, she's kind of a great deal.
Beautiful head.
Yes, it will complete our collection nicely.
Don't be afraid. Come closer. Take a candy.
And let's carve up some fun this night. Our treats are crafted from your darkest nightmares.
So next up, we have Headcase Harry. This one is really cool and reminds me of Two Scoops, which I think it was a remake, but I love that this one has candy instead of ice
Come
cream.
closer. Take a candy.
And while he's cool
Let's
and
carve
hits
up
on
some
all
fun
the
this
notes
night.
for a
Our
haunted
treats are
trick-or-treat
crafted
setting,
from your
at
darkest
$269, he's
nightmares.
kind of expensive. But we do think he's awesome.
Round and round. Come on, I'll give you one free throw. Then it's my turn to throw a knife at you.
So next up, we have Bullseye the Clown. This one is actually really creepy, and I really wanted this one. This one is so cool and just awesomely amazing.
He is definitely fun and extremely unique. We haven't seen anything like him before. At $250, he's kind of a deal given the pricing of the other animatronics, but we think he's definitely worth a look.
I have risen from the dark pit of despair. It burns inside.
Next up, we have Fire Demon. I love this one actually so much. I love it because it's a demon, and, well, see the scene? You know what it is.
At almost 7 feet tall, this thing is intimidating. Love the design, but at over $300, we're probably going to take a pass.
Next up, we have Lantern Keeper. This one's really good, and I like it because it has the side-to-side motion, and it's very creepy with the pumpkin face.
Now, if you've seen any of our other previous videos, you know we're a sucker for the season. So anything with jack-o'-lanterns, scarecrows, or reapers is right up our alley. So that's why we like this so much. And at $230, it's a fair price.
It's a terrifying Christmas. Let the horror fill your heart. You hear footsteps, that's not Santa. It's a jolly clown named Art. He's a Miles County legend with a smile that brings a chill on a journey to outdo himself.
So next up, we have Art the Clown Santa Claus. This one is actually really cool, and I like it, but doesn't really fit the theme of our haunt, but it is amazing.
As Son pointed out, it wouldn't fit the theme of our yard display. However, we are suckers for Christmas and Halloween, so we may end up getting him since he's only $270 for a Christmas prop, believe it or not. Now, I'm going to start off speaking a little softer, given the eerie music in the background. But let us know in the comments if you disagree with our rankings or what your favorite animatronic is in this Wave 5 lineup. Be sure to check our other waves and previous videos.
Favorite in this wave is Sam. I love this one so much. It has the projector behind it, which is what really sold us on putting it in first place.
Now, full disclosure, Sam is arguably my favorite Halloween villain of all time, and Trick or Treat is one of my favorite haunt movies ever. So this ranked really high on our list. And since we're self-sponsored and we only get one animatronic a year, this might be the one we end up grabbing. At $250, it's not cheap, but we love this through and through. Now we want to hear from you. Tell us what your favorite one was in this Wave 5 lineup or for the year so far at Spirit. And if you have a different animatronic at a different store that is your favorite for this 2025 season, leave that in the comments below. We'd like to start the conversation, and we want to know which is the best of 2025. Now, if you want to see our previous waves of Spirit Animatronics rankings, be sure to check out our channel. Look for the videos like the one you see here. But if you also love the Halloween and haunt season, you found the right home. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications because we'll be exploring and taking you to so many home haunts, haunted houses, and everything Halloween in coming videos. We appreciate you so much and welcome to the Dad and Son community. All our best. 2025 season looks to be great. Welcome to the Dad and Son community.